Hey creators, welcome back to Prisma Visuals. Today we're diving into Prisma3d 3.1 to learn how to turn a single object into a full 3D tree model. Simple steps, powerful results. Let's build something amazing. First, open any photo editing software and edit the image the same way I do. After editing the image like that, download it and then open the Prisma3d app. After opening, add a plane surface. After adding, place the image that you edited onto this plane. After adding the image, apply a cut in the middle of the branch and wooden texture. After making the cut, delete it. After this, there is a wooden plane. Apply a cut on it. After making the cut, rotate the wooden plane by 90 degrees. After this, modify the plane into a cylinder shape. After modifying it into a cylinder shape, use the mirror tool to copy it like I do. After copying with the mirror tool, place the branch plane onto the wooden model. After placing the branches, copy them using the mirror tool. Then select the model you copied and attach it to the main model. Keep copying like this repeatedly and keep attaching them to the main model. Alright guys, this is how you can create a 3D tree model using just a single object. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.